Hi, I'm Tasman, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy natural sprayable lotion. Now let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so firstly I have my water phase here. To this I'm going to add a glycerin based extract. I've just chosen to go with some aloe vera extract. This is nice and moisturizing, perfect in a lotion. And I'm also going to add this moisturizer active. This is obviously a moisturizing, hydrating active. You would have seen me use it before in another video. This is a really good material for hydration and moisturization. Again, really perfect for a lotion. Just give that a little stir. Now next, to help build my lotion, I am going to be making a slurry here with my Virescent xanthan. This is a really good grade of xanthan. It's a really fine particle, so it makes it easy to slurry it, and it makes pretty clear gels as well, but you won't see that today because we are making a lotion. Now, because we want our lotion to be sprayable, you only want to use a little bit. Xanthan tends to have a medium viscosity impact, so we don't want to add too much, just enough for stability. So I'm going to add that into my glycerin and give that a good slurry. But see how easy this grade of xanthan just slurries into a bit of glycerin. It's really, really easy to work with. And within seconds that's already done. So now I'm going to add that to my water phase, give it a good stir, and you'll see quite a low viscosity gel start to form. Okay, next is my oil and emulsifier phase. Now I have here the Imwita 375 by Oleochemicals. So this is a anionic liquid emulsifier, and it's also obviously natural based. So it provides really light or feather light sensory, and it's really, really, really easy to work with as well. It creates really nice, fast, light and natural emulsions. It's really easy to pick up. It's got really good spreading, light to touch. It's fast absorbing, and it doesn't provide soaping as well, which is really good when you have a lotion or a cream. So I have that in my bowl here. Now to this, I'm going to be adding some Floramac 10 by Floratech. This is a nice light feeling ester. I'm going to be adding a little bit of this camellia oil. And also just a little bit of caprylic capric triglycerides. So I have a good balance here of light, medium and heavy skin feel lipids. So you want to have a good balance of each to get a really good skin feel. Now I'm going to give that a mix. I'm going to combine this first. Now it's suggested with the emulsifier that you combine your oil phase and your water phase separately and then add together. So I'm going to give that a good mix, and then I'm going to add it into my water phase. Now it does take a little bit of mixing. You may benefit from an overhead mixer like a homogenizer if you've got one. I'm just using my hands today. They work just as good in this product. Now, I am going to be adding my last phase as well. I'm using as my preservative the Cosmoderm Multi-Meg by Cosmetic. This is a really good natural preservative. I'm going to be adding a little bit of essential oil for a nice scent. I'm just using one from off the shelf. You can of course pick your own, and some antioxidant for our plant oils. Give that a good stir. And you can see now it is turning into a nice milky emulsion. So as you can see, it's quite runny still. It's got a little bit of viscosity, but not much. So it's still going to spray. This won't thicken up much overnight either. We don't want that. But as you can see, it's a nice milky emulsion here. Now we are just going to lastly check our pH. And that's pretty much sitting exactly where we want that to be. And as always, we're just gonna cover it and allow it to sit overnight just so we can assess it for any signs of instability or any other, viscosity or separation issues. Okay, and here is what my sprayable lotion is looking like the next day. As you can see, it hasn't thickened up much. It's still quite runny, but very stable. The emulsion is really nice and glossy as well. I love a glossy emulsion. Now I've gone ahead and I've already put it in a spray bottle here so I can just show you how it works. So it still sprays really nice and it spreads really well. It's very long spreading. As you can see, I'm moving all of that up my arm. So a little bit goes a long way. One pump has literally pretty much done my whole arm. It's very light, it's not heavy, and it's not leaving a greasy film on the skin. It's also not tacky, but yeah, it's feeling really nice and moisturized. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to create a natural, easy sprayable lotion. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!